Hey y'all, Dakota here with Holman's Outdoor Solutions. So this morning, start off by sawing up the last two cedar cants I had. Got six more, actually 7 more 1x6s out of them two little cants. Now I'm gonna continue working on sawing up the 1x8s for this other order. And having to use that old tractor over there. The excavator's got a drive motor getting worked on starting today, and let me tell you, it is so unproductive trying to move logs around with a tractor like this, hooking a chain to it and trying to wrestle it and breaking your back at the same time. Using the log cant to roll the log is a huge pain. So anyways, I finally got this pine log up on here. It's 10'2", so it's perfect for what I'm needing. I got a little too far over on the loading arms, so what I'm gonna do is get it up on there, raise the toe boards up, and roll this thing by hand backwards. Now once I get it up on the mill, this thing's kind of shaped like an oval. So what I'm gonna do to make the most amount of boards with the least amount of jacket cuts, I'm going to situate it where the oval, the wide part, is sitting wide up on that mill bed. So I'll make a top cut there, top cut there, and then that'll leave me this long part to cut the lumber off of. So then I'll take a cut there and then roll it over one more time, the third time, and then take a top cut there and start cutting my lumber all the way down. And if I use pattern, all I gotta do is raise the blade up above that first cut, that jacket cut, and it'll program itself to cut all the way down to where I need a 1-inch board on the bottom. It won't leave me any waste. If I use auto down, it will leave waste because it won't account for however it does it with its brains. So I'll use pattern so I don't have a waste board at the bottom. So once I get it up on the mill bed, I'm gonna position it sitting about near just like this, a little more flatter, and I'll try to film it. I still don't have a phone stand, so I'm just gonna have to wing it and do the best I can to position this thing like on a block or something. All right, I got my phone sitting on that stack of 1x6 cedar boards. So to get started, turn this thing on, let it power up. All right, gonna raise these side stands up. So get them up, raise the log up. Let me pull that head back a little, get it out of the way. Make sure it's not going to hit my demarker, which it's going to. Let's see if I can move this thing in maybe. Where's my cant hook? Ah, there it is. Try to gently roll this thing on. It's still sliding on these loose arms. Here, maybe it'll roll now. Gently want to roll this thing on. I'm gonna put this extended piece out right there, just to give it a little extra support. Alright, I got it on. Put this down. that debarker out the way. All right. Okay, now is where I'm gonna raise the toe boards up. Okay, it's not even touching the other toe board. Let me see if I can slide this thing. That's gonna be difficult. Now it's over the back toe board. Let me get this out. Push it over. Now I got it over that back toe board. Let me just push this back just a little. Probably about like that much. These down, and now I'm gonna position it with my log roller. And that about looks like where I want it. So now I'm gonna dog it. Dogged. This down. All right, y'all. That was a process, but we got it aligned up on there how I wanted it. And now I'll make my first cut and start working this thing up. Turn the gas on. That's what happens when you forget to turn the gas on. God almighty. All right. All right, 8 inches thick. 8 inches thick. Got an extra 1-inch board in here, waist cut. Now I'm gonna roll this 90 degrees and start cutting off this part, then roll it again, start cutting this part all the way down to the bed to get my 1-inch boards. well, this is gonna be the end of the video. But all I did was I did the pattern mode, and of course it sawed all the way down 1 inch, and leaving my bottom board of course 1 inch as well. So I got a nice stack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1x8 by 10-foot 2 boards, and I measured them 1 inch all the way down to the very end. This thing's cutting great, and that's not even a new blade. It's actually a kind of dull blade, but it's still cutting true, cutting great. And I'm gonna get those off. I'm gonna have to get the sawdust off of them and go pile them up over there on that other pile I've already started for that order. I got a fella coming here soon to pick up this live edge slab. Be a good mantelpiece. But anyways, it's gonna be the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed. See you on the next one.